Who is Great Escape Publishing? What exactly does Great Escape Publishing do? We teach people how to go on a vacation or plan a trip and write stories about the things that they see and do. And sell those stories to magazines, newspapers, travel apps, and guidebooks. We teach people how to take amazing photographs, not just beautiful photographs, but saleable photographs. You know, there's a whole market of people out there who are willing to buy images from all over the world. And the same with video. We teach people how to create videos and also sell them. So on the surface, that's what Great Escape Publishing is. But under the surface, we actually give confidence and power and prestige to people who like to travel. We give you another opportunity to see the world in a way that you can't as a typical tourist. And then how to memorialize and make your trip live forever in a photograph, in a small video clip, in a travel story, and get it into the pages of a glossy magazine. Get it into a billboard, get it into a stock agency. We have lots of programs on travel writing. We have lots of programs on photography. Some people learn at home and they take video courses from us on how exactly to process their images, how exactly to write a story and contact an editor. You can do it through the home study programs, or you can do it while you're in the middle of having an amazing adventure. So that's what Great Escape Publishing is. It is about finding yourself through travel. It is about going farther and seeing more and experiencing things the way you can't as a typical tourist.